Here was something that happened just a few days ago. In the main menu, I see that my Streetpass icon is illuminated with green. I had brought my 3DS to school one day in between filming this walkthrough, and I had tagged one of my schoolmates, and now is the perfect time to, I think, utilize this feature here, because I don't think we'll see this for a while, given that I usually keep my 3DS at home. But let's select Streetpass match, and let's meet Eddie. Eddie is one of my classmates in school. He's a singer, and I didn't know he had this game until I found out that he had Streetpass. That I got him through Streetpass. So let's have a match, a little bit of a match here. And this is a great segue to the next court that I have selected, which is in Peach's Castle. So as you can see, the ball is a lot faster and the bounce is a little bit higher, which is provides a lot of extra excitement for these types of matches, especially when we do the tournaments. Oh, that got him right in the gut, didn't it? Let's see another replay. So, by the look of this, you could probably tell Eddie here is a bit of a novice at this. Still not really quick with the reflexes, unlike Patrick, who is just like really quickly honing his skills. A complete sweep. Congratulations, Patrick, once again on another victory. Alright, so we've earned an extra 100 coins, which is great to buy some more things. And a new item is available at the item shop. It's the Lakitu uniform. And I think another icon that was highlighted is the ring shot. Now normally the ring shot I would save for the special games, but this is something, but because we are dealing with Streetpass here, I want to show you pretty much everything that the Streetpass has to offer so far. And once again, Eddie, since Eddie's the only guy that we Streetpass tag, he's our only character, only opponent that Patrick will play, until maybe I could Streetpass tag more people. Okay, so the ring shot is, you gotta hit the ball through the rings while maintaining a rally. Guide it through multiple rings at once to earn bonus points. And we've only got 1 minute to do so. The ring shot's more like, it really isn't that much of a competition, but Eddie is there as the person who received the ball. It's more a skill for Patrick in order to see how much points that he can get. Not necessarily a competition, that's only for the... Alright, so in 1 minute we had received 232 ring points, and each point that we earn gives us 1 additional coin. So yeah, what I was saying is that it's more of Patrick's, more for Patrick. It's not necessarily a competition to see who gets the most rings. Eddie's just there to help support, you know. So we're kind of like a team, you know, and it's just to see how many points that we can get. So it's a great way to kind of get coins, to get a lot of coins. You can get hundreds and hundreds of coins depending on how you perform with the ring shot feature. And of course, this thing can fill up, and which is the Streetpass lists. So thanks a lot, Eddie. Let's have a round of applause for him. Alright, so as I said earlier, or just recently, we're gonna do Peach's court this time. Let's have Luigi be on our squad. He's always been our opponent. Let's have Mario and Luigi together, and I just selected the Boo randomly. So this is called it's Peach's Palace, and it's a carpet court. The bounce is normal, but the ball speed is the fastest. So look for the smash to be, you know, to be very prevalent in this type of match, as well as the top spin shot. Okay, we're gonna have. Let's make this interesting. Let's have this one set of 6 games. So it's all pretty much all. Whoever wins 3 games, first to 3 games, will win the set and the entire match. As you can see in that sequence, that the drop shot is not that useful in a court like this. Primarily since the ball goes fast, you know, there's a better opportunity for a player to deflect that shot. And like I said also, that the top spin shot is going to be very useful in a court like this. Let that go out. Mario to serve this time. Oh, that slice caught us off guard a little bit. Top spin opportunity. Smash. Oh, I just missed it. He just missed the smash. But Luigi was there to clean it up. both teams had to work really hard, but Team Luigi and Patrick end up on top. Uh-oh, Patrick and Luigi, they're getting caught off guard. Especially, you know, you can't do that, especially with a court like this where the ball, you know, just goes really fast. You gotta redeem. They gotta redeem themselves in this round. And already a great opening smash by Patrick to have a 15-0 lead over Mario, and now a 30 love lead, thanks to another smash. Great bounce back victory. Patrick just showing a lot of energy these last few times. He has scored the last 6 shots for Team Patrick and Luigi for his team. How badly do you want it? Well, Patrick is definitely showing it right here, and Luigi's now getting into the flow as well. Well, we've taken a 3-1 lead. I guess you need to win 4 games actually instead of 3. But we can do it right here. We can win it all. If we can sustain the energy that was seen in the previous 2 games. That was a no mercy smash right there. The Boo didn't even know. Caught off guard. Deja vu moment right here. Oh, you know what? My mistake. I haven't been playing this game in a long time. When I selected 6 game matches, you know, it slipped off the top of my head that you needed to win 6 games. Not like it's 6 games and who wins the most out of those 6 is the winner. You needed to win all 6 games, I think. Okay, now it's 1 more game and the victory. I'll be very honest with you folks that sometimes I overlook what's said on the bottom of the screen to know how many games we need to win, so. But I'm no expert at doing video game commentaries, so. But let's focus on the game because this is getting exciting. Mario at the right place at the right time to do a very high lob. But of course, you know, Patrick's skill level, especially when performing the smash, has gone up so high ever since starting this walkthrough. There you go. This is going down to the wall. Two more points. Or two more scores, I should say. There you go. One more sequence and it's our game. And how appropriate, it's the smash that wins it all. Congratulations once again to Team Patrick and Team Luigi. A new item is available at the item shop. It's the Birdo Racket. 11 smash aces versus 3, and you know where most of them came from. It was by Patrick.